Welcome back, guys, to our Level Up series. In the Level Up series, today we are going to see the contest solutions of LeetCode bi-weekly contest. The very first question was, make a square with the same color. What does the question say? The question says we are given with a 3x3 matrix which consists only of characters B and W, where character W represents the white color and the character B represents the black color. What our task is to do, we can change at most the color of one cell so that the matrix, any 2x2 matrix, has all the cells of the same color. If it is possible, then we are going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false. So let us understand this particular question with the help of an example. See, the question clearly mentions we are given with a 3x3 matrix. So in this 3x3 matrix, how many 2x2 matrices are possible? 4. One will be this one, which consists of 0th and the first row and the 0th and the first column. The second matrix will be which consists of 0th and the first row and the first and the second column. The third 2x2 matrix will be which consists of the first row and the second row and the 0th column and the first column, which is this one. And the fourth matrix will be which consists of first and the second row and the first and the second column. So there are only 4 possible 2x2 matrices. We will check for each and every matrix, that is, there are 4 matrices. So for this first matrix, we will check the count of white as well as the count of black. For the second also, we will do the same for the third also and for the fourth also. If for any of the matrices, the count of any one particular color is 3 and the count of other particular color is only 1, it means by changing the color of only one cell, we can obtain a matrix which has all the cells of the same color. So it means it is true, otherwise it is false. So in this particular example number 1, we can clearly see this matrix, which consists of the 0th and the first row and the first and the second column. The 3 cells are white, only one cell is black. So if I change this black cell to white, this 2x2 matrix will have all the cells of the white color. So it is possible. Whereas in this example number 2, for every 2x2 matrix, there are 2 black colors, 2 white colors. So by changing only one color of only one cell, I cannot obtain the same color for all these cells. So this is not possible. So I will return false. So this is the only thing which I have applied in the code. This is the function which I have made is possible. This accepts 2 variables, that is I, j, I for the row, j for the column. It will check if it is white, it will increment the W. If it is black, it will increment the B. If W is greater than 2 or B is greater than 2, it means it is possible. What do we mean by greater than? If it is 3 or if it is 4, it means if it is already 4, it means all the cells are of the same color for that matrix. So we are going to return 1. If it is 3, it means by changing the color of at most 1, we can obtain all the cells with the same color. So we will return 1 in this particular case, otherwise you are going to return 0. So there are 4 possible 2x2 matrix. So for that, we will change the value of I, comma, j. For the first one, the I will be 0, j will be also 0. For second one, I will be 0, j will be 1. For third 2x2 matrix, I will be 1, j will be 0. And the fourth one, I will be 1 and j will also be 1. So these 4 times is possible function will go in the worst case. If it is returning 1, so 1 will be returned. Otherwise, if this function do not return 1, at the end of this loop, we are going to return 0. It means it is not possible to obtain 2x2 matrix with all the cells of the same color. So I hope the question is clear to you all. The question was pretty simple. In case the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.